Ladies, come here. This video is just for you. Okay, ladies. So I think it's just us here. So today we're going to talk about the Go Girl. So thanks for joining me on the channel today. Our channel, Let's Go Now Adventures, is all about making your camping experience just a little bit better. Whether that's tent camping or RV camping, we're just here to try to give you some tips and some tricks. So if you like this video today, give me a big thumbs up, and also I would love to have you subscribe to our channel to where you can subscribe and then you won't miss out some of these tips as we put them out each week. So let's get into it and let's talk about the Go Girl. So what is the Go Girl? Well, basically it's this little device that helps us go whenever nature calls. And you know as well as I know, sometimes that's difficult. You know, guys have it so easy where they can just like sneak off to the side and do their business. Well, we have it much harder. Well, this new little puppy I have found is amazing. So what is it? It's a little purple funnel that's made out of medical grade silicone. It's antimicrobial. So you can wash it with some warm soapy water and you can reuse it. Now you can see by the shape, it's shaped just for us. So basically we can pee standing up. So where would this come in handy? What about those long road trips where there's not a rest stop in sight? Comes in handy. Where I think this is the best though is when we're up camping. You know what I mean. Sometimes it's hard to find a spot and there's not a place in sight. However, what about if you are up camping and they do have those restrooms? Well, sometimes those porta potties are a little bit stinky. So you could either use it outside or you could go into the porta potty and you wouldn't have to sit down on the dirty pot. And I know personally, if we can talk personally, is as I get older, my knees aren't so good. So to be able to stand and do your business, this is a plus. So what you can do is you can be very discreet with this. Basically, all you need to do is undress just enough to where you can fit this in, you know where it goes, and you can pee standing up. So I'm not going to demonstrate. I'll leave that to you. Anyway, this is a plus in my book. You should check it out. I'll leave the link below. Take a look at it. So ladies, thank you so much for watching. This is kind of an awkward subject to talk about, but hopefully this little product will make it a little bit easier and a better experience for you when you're out camping. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you subscribe to our channel. So from Let's Go Now Adventures, I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.